SADC yazosvika pakuudzwa nevanhu kuti murimbwa muri maidiots nokuda kweiland ravaburitsa muzuva ranhasi. SADC vanhu vazokonkluda vakati SADC this union is very corrupt, hatingarambi tichitemba nayo. Sanambina mashoko abuda chogoni SADC nemaresponses apuwa nevanhu uribva wasubscribe olike utina on the bell icon vanoposta paendo pawe pamuri kuonapo akanzi SADC vonyera vachiti Republic of Zimbabwe takes over the chairship of the SADC Standing Committee of the senior officials. On 8 August 2024, the Republic of Zimbabwe took over the chairship of the Southern African Development Committee SADC Standing Committee of the senior officials from the Republic of Angola, marking the start of the process for the official handover of the SADC chairship from the Republic of Angola to the Republic of Zimbabwe during the 44th SADC Summit of Heads of State and Government on 17 August. Gatimanya tipinde ma-comment, tunoti vanhu vabva vaya vakanyora vachiti Dear citizens of Zimbabwe, we are alone and forever will be alone. No one is seeing what we are going through. They are all blind. Manyora achiti SADC should be disbanded with all due respect. Manu achiti so SADC is working with the ZANU-PF to oppress Zimbabweans. They don't care about ordinary citizens, but those who are benefiting from the dirty politics which is running their lives in the future of Zimbabweans. Cry my beloved country. Vanhu vari kuuya vachirabhisha SADC vachiti this organization ngaive disbanded. Vatoti ngatipatwe ne-immediate stop noda kuti vari ku-encourage kuti vanhu vasafe. Tudze mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pemashoko avo. Pinda comment section medu musanga no subscribe like, on the bell icon.